Friends, in this video I'm going to show how to change the head gasket. Just now I removed the head from the cylinder. You could see oil traces on the cylinder head mating surface. We have to thoroughly clean this surface and install the new gasket. After cleaning, we have to install the gasket. While installing this one, we have to take note of this groove and this circular edge. So this one is groove and this one is a small projection like that. This projection has to be placed on top like this. See, this projection is on top and the groove is on bottom. So now the surface is thoroughly cleaned and the head surface also clean. See, head surface is thoroughly cleaned. Important thing, while installing the gasket, the piston should be on top. Piston should not be like that. So make sure the piston is on top. For that we can use the kicker and press it slightly. Then the piston will come up and down. While it is on top, stop pressing the kicker. See, now it's on top. So make sure it's on top and then install the gasket and head and tighten everything. Then the third important thing is, before installing the cylinder head, we should remove the spark plug from the head. And as said before, the groove should be on the cylinder surface and the small projection should be on top. So projection is on top and place the gasket like this. Now we will install the head on the cylinder studs and tighten the bolts in the crisscross pattern. So first tighten this one, second this one, third this one and fourth this one. While tightening the bolts should be tightened progressively. Don't just fully tighten this one and then fully tighten this one. Don't do like that. If it's fully tightened first and then this one is fully tightened and then this one is like that, if we did not follow progressive tightening of the bolts, the head surface and the cylinder mating surface will get warped. That means that will be pinched somehow, that will be uneven. Then the seal will not be proper. The combustion gases will leak in the gasket surface. That's why while tightening the bolts, we have to tighten in crisscross pattern and then tighten progressively. Progressively means if we tighten this, we have to tighten all the bolts to hand tight and then use the wrench and lightly tight this bolt. The same light should be applied here, the same force applied here, same force applied here. Then second time we have to tighten lightly, then the same force, like that we have to follow each and every studs and tighten progressively. So all the bolts are hand tightened. Now you could see first this one like that, then second. Like that, then the third one, then the fourth one. Like this, progressively tighten the bolts slowly, one by one. Don't fully tighten this one and then go to that one. That will damage the mating surfaces. So it's fully tightened. Now we'll start the bike. That's So we have to change the head gasket, that's all.